Hello people of this world, I have such an exciting collaboration that I wanted to show you today, and it is the CDG Comme des Garcons X Converse Play Series, but it's for their Spring Summer 2020 drop, and they have these cool vibrant neon colors for the summertime. And I have two colorways with me today, but in total there are three. There is the neon green one, the pink one, and also the blue ones, each in high and low tops. But I also did a review last year on the black and white ones, which are the most popular and well-known style for the CDG X Converse Play Series. So if you are interested in that, please go check that out. I'll link it down below. But for today, I have two colorways, which is the light pink one in low top and then the neon green one in the high tops. And both are Chuck 70s, which I do prefer because I feel like it gives a more comfortable and cushiony feel for when you wear them. So let's just go ahead and unbox these. For the box, it's very much the same as the black and white original one. So they have Converse Play and then the heart CDG logo, and then Comme des Garcons just printed on the bottom here. They also have it on the side right here, and then again here has Converse all across it. So it's very cool, sleek white box that is really nice. And for the sizing, I got a men's size 5, which is converted to women's size 7, and these are the same size that I got previously because I thought they fit true to size for me, and they fit me really well. And then for the UK size, it's 5, European 37.5, and then centimeters is 24. So let's go ahead and unbox these. I can't wait to show you how they look. They are so bright when I saw them on the website, and here they are. So this one is the neon green, and they call it acid lime green for the colorway right there, and it's such a beautiful color that's super bright. I feel like it will make your outfit definitely pop. Every time I wear neon color shoes, people are like, oh my gosh, they're so bright. And some people are like, I don't think I can pull that off, but you can pull off anything if you believe you can pull it off. So if you like these shoes and you want to wear them, don't care about what other people think. I wear a lot of crazy shoes, but for the most part, the response has always been positive, and they always ask me where I get my shoes. So for these ones, I got the neon green because I really love them in the high tops, and I've been loving like Chuck 70 high tops really recently. I just wear them all the time. As you can see, I do a lot of reviews on like Converse, and a lot of collaborations have been so cute recently. They've been dropping so many cute ones, but especially these green ones, I've just never really seen this specific colorway, and I absolutely love just the tone of the green. It's like greenish yellow, and I feel like it's gonna be super cute with so many outfits. So I'm gonna go ahead and come up closer so you can have a closer look at all the details, and I hope that you like these as much as I do because I'm so excited to be able to try these on and wear them. So here it is with the tag on this side of the shoe. I'm just going to show this tag here because some people are curious, and it is in just a plain black and white. We have Play for the Play series, and then Comme des Garcons printed down there. On the back right here we have some fabrication, and then also a style number. There's Japanese on this side, and then right here is in English, and right there it basically says that the printed motif here can be damaged and may come off due to heat and friction while washing in high temperature, and do not bleach these if you plan on washing these. But I don't think I would ever throw these in a washer, probably just clean them by hand. But there is just that warning right there. And let me just go ahead and get the other side of the pair to show you the detail so it's not blocking. And here it is. We have the outer side view with the logo on the outside. You can see the top view and the inner side view, and then the back right here. Let me start from the toe side. As usual, we have the toe bumper that is just known to be on all the Chuck 70s, and it's raised with these diagonal shapes on the front, and then also right here has some raises too. And then on the bottom right here is how the outer soles look. We have this square shape, and then on the bottom it says Converse All Stars, and then the men's sizing, which is 5 right there. On the back of the sole, it is Converse All Star Chuck Taylor, and we have just this beautiful color paint. It is not in a matte color. If you see, it kind of reflects off the light, this shiny finish, and I absolutely love these on the Chuck 70s and their collabs. Recently they just been painting these in a super like, it has a cream undertone, but it is white, so it's not a super bright white, but it is cream in the undertones, and then it has this shiny finish, which I did also review with the black and white ones that give off sort of like a gummy kind of plastic look, which I like because I think it just gives it that extra shine and more fresh kind of look. Rather than matte, it can look quite dull. So I really love this paint for the soles right there. Let's go ahead and show you the uppers. I'm gonna show you the outer side first. We have this little CDG logo right there. It's painted in the red and has the little eyes. Honestly, I feel like people can DIY these. If you want, just draw and then paint them on anything you want. But I just absolutely love this neon green canvas color, and the canvas material is super nice. And for these ones, it doesn't really show, but the stitching is white because it's quite bright, so the color is just fading out the white stitching, but it looks like really nice with also the white shoelaces that it comes with. There are no other shoelaces but the white colorway. And then of course on the other side we have the stamp for the Converse Chuck Taylor's All-Star in the classic white color, which is very representative of the Converse high tops. And then also always on the inner side we have these two grommets for the inner side view. And for the outer side view, when you wear it on the outside, people can see the logo and it's super cute. And then the last detail I want to show you is this taping right here. So they just decided to go with the white with the contrast of the uppers. So the neon greens and the pink and the blue ones, they all have this white taping that goes along in the back, and you will see that on the pink ones too. So overall, I just think this is super cute. Do you like this colorway, or do you think it's too much for you? Let me know in the comments below, and let's just hop on to the other color. Here is the next shoe I will be unboxing, and as I said earlier, it is in the low tops, whereas the neon green ones are in the high top. And I got this cute pink color, and specifically they call it the Chuck 70 CDG Strawberry Pink. And again, I got these in the same size 5 men's and women's size 7. And let me go ahead and show you how they look. They just come wrapped in these regular white tissue paper, and here it is, the pink ones. So adorable, right? I mean, I was kind of reluctant to get these because pink ones there's so many pink Converse, but They have the CDG heart on it, the logo. If you can justify paying for these, then do it, but they are super cute. I love the colorway and the little strawberry pink tones with the white contrast of the stitching. So I can't wait to also wear these ones too in the low tops. It's just very feminine and girly. If you do not really like that pop of color for neon green, this one is also the perfect one for you. And also, if you just feel like black and white is kind of too monotone for you, then I feel like this series for the summer spring is the perfect colorways. They have the light blue one, which I think is also a super pretty colorway too. It's very powder blue. If you like that, then I suggest you go check those out too. And again, these also have the high top ones, so if you want like the high tops in these, they are available. And let me go ahead and show you the detail and the construction up close for these shoes. So here are the strawberry pink colorway, and this is the outer side view. We have the upper side view, inner side view, and then the back view right here. And I just think that this strawberry pink gives me like strawberry milkshake vibes. So cute in the colorway, and I feel like it's perfect for springtime. So let's go ahead and start off with the toe bumper. It is very similar to the high top one with the raised diagonals and then the small raises right here that just go all the way across in the front. We have the stamp right here that says Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor with the star logo. And then on the bottom, it's the same outer soles with the square indentation. And then right here also says Converse All-Star, and then the men's sizing, which is size 5. And let me just show you a closer look at the uppers. We have right here the the CDG logo, the heart logo. And then as you notice on the high tops, there's more room, so they decided to print it on the top here. Whereas this one, the low tops, they'll print it on the bottom right here. We have the pink canvas material, and you can see the contrast more on the pink one with the white stitching as well as the white shoelaces. And I overall really love the contrast between the white and the pink on this. Again, with the super bright white taping on the back, you can see how there is a difference between the white. So as I said earlier, for the neon green, this paint right here, it is such a cool color, but it's like white, but it is more of a cream undertone. However, I feel like I like the midsoles to be this color. Just gives that pop and contrast, and also the finish looks super sleek and really nice. For the tongue, I didn't show you the tongue for the neon green ones, but it's very simple. It's also in the same color. We have the white stitching on top, and then on the inside, they only always have this on one side of their Converse. It says Chuck Taylor, player's name, so you can write your name in there. And then on the bottom, it has the information. Whereas on the other side of the shoe, they do not have the player's name. They only have it on one side, but they do have the information on the sizing. Ooh, it's kind of blurry, so let me just unlace these so you can see what it is. So it just has the sizing with the logo inside. And then for the insole, they're both the same for high top and low top. It has Converse Play with this logo of the heart. It says made in Vietnam. And I just am gonna take out this insole for you so you have an idea of how it's like. So it's, if you're curious, it's blue in here. And also these aren't really connected. Some of the shoes, they will glue it on, but I noticed for the Chuck 70s, they just have it separate as a piece. And then this is how it looks with stitching, and blue says Converse on the bottom right there, which is pretty interesting. And here is the insole. If you see right here, there is a bit of a heel as with all the Chuck 70s. So I really like the Chuck 70s a lot because they have a little bit of an extra cushion and a bounce to it, whereas the All-Stars, it's more flat. So I feel like these are a bit more comfortable, but they are still pretty flat, as you can see. Not much support still, but at least there is something, and that's what I really like about these ones. So that is that for the pink shoes. Please let me know what you think about them. And also, oh, one more thing is on the inner side, I didn't show you, we have the two eyelets or the grommets that are on the inner side. So let me know what you think about this strawberry pink one. The low tops, let me know if you like low tops or high tops more. And I absolutely love these shoes. Like I said it a million times, I think they're so cute, and I'm super into Converse these days. So let me know how you would style them too. I'm so curious, and please let me know. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the CDG X Converse Play series for the spring summer drop for 2020. Please let me know what you think about these colorways. Do you like the high tops or the low tops better, or which one did you like? The neon green ones, the strawberry pink one, or the light blue one? I will link where I bought these down below. I bought these on Dover Street Market, and I believe it's the New York one that is the one that is selling these. They also carry the black and white ones, but some of the colorways for those might be sold out in some sizes. But Dover Street Market always have CDG X Converse Play series just for their own drops, and I believe the one in Ginza has a new colorway that it's not really new because it's black and white, but it's a new design. I will show it right here. I believe you can only purchase through Japan. They'll only ship in Japan for those ones. So if you're living elsewhere besides Japan, you may have to go somewhere else to purchase those shoes. But luckily these ones are in New York, so you can purchase these if you live in the States, and they will ship to you. I absolutely love these so much. I think I will be wearing these a lot, even though they say that CDG is quite hype or maybe even overhyped. I still love them so much. I don't care. It's so cute. And obviously sometimes people DIY them, but I feel like the quality is super good, and I love especially this neon green colorway. I don't think they make it for like regular Converse or Chuck 70s too much. So if you want something super unique, I suggest you go for this colorway. But if you want something more cute and girly, there's a pink one, and then there's the blue one for something that's just in between. But there's always a color out there for everybody, and I will link everything on where to get them below. I believe they're sold out on the Converse official website. And please let me know if you have any comments, questions, or just anything you think about these shoes. Please leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer you as soon as I can. And if you like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe, and I will be back with more shoe reviews. So until next time, bye!